Zagreb Hike presents Urban Explorer Quest, an epic journey through the tales and legends of Zagreb's medieval hills. Once at the bottom of the ocean, it is now a historical area with some of the most significant landmarks in Zagreb. Zagreb's medieval hills, named Kaptol and Gradec, will tell you an epic tale of the city and its folks. Urban Explorer Quest is a guided hill walk in Zagreb city centre. On this tour, you will visit a historic tower, 2 medieval hills, 3 museums, and the city's most important landmarks. This is the fastest way to learn about Zagreb's history and culture, and to see Zagreb's best attractions. Your guide will take you on a 5-kilometer walk, navigating through some hidden paths and narrating to you the magnificent lore of the city of Zagreb. Become the main character and confront the city of Zagreb in this epic adventure. Hopping from one hill to another, you will find out how the city survived centuries on the big frontier, where civilizations clashed for thousands of years. Each place you visit resonates with the city's history. Each museum visited will let you visualize the past and present of the city. Book your Urban Explorer Quest at zagrebhike.com and join the most glorious way of exploration of Zagreb.